Hello and welcome to PicoCTF. After a quick login, let's take a challenge from page 5, Logon. Category is web exploitation for 100 points, and the description says the factory is hiding things from all of its users. Can you log in as Joe and find what they have been looking at? Open the given link in a new tab. It's a factory login page. Enter any credential of your own choice. I'm using username in both the fields. Success, you logged in. No flag for you. Time to view page source. Not so interesting stuff out here. As always, our second step is inspect element. You can make changes in inspect element under storage section, but I have a cookie editor with me. Let's check it. Name admin, value false. Check other values. Password, username. Here what attracts is admin value. Change this admin value from false to true and save it. Time to refresh the page, and here you go. Copy the flag, get back to our challenge page, paste the flag and click on submit. And it's done. You earned 100 points. Thanks for watching.